Hello guys, good morning. Kwento-kwento tayo guys this morning. Habang nakaupo ko dito sa gilid ng ilalim ng puno ng saging. Ayan. Kwento-kwento tayo guys kasi alam nyo, ginaganito ko kasi ano na yan? Sweat? Anong tawag? Oh yeah. Anyway, ganyan guys. Wala kasing pasok mga anak ko this time. They're online. Ayan, so nandito ako sa farm kasi nga nagtanim kami ng pipino tsaka may punishment ako kaya pinatanim ako ng pipino. Ilang puno lang naman. Hindi kasi ako marunong magtanim. Tsaka ever since maliit pa talaga ako guys, hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-farm. But because of my partner, I do it in here. But you know what? It's just only the video. I'm just doing it, you know. But for me, this is not really my life. So, yeah, ayan guys. O, ayan. Pero alam mo masarap. Simple buhay lang ba nandito ka sa farm?